Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today's topic is Top 10 States with the highest crime rate in America. Keep watching if you are curious about these places. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel before we move on to the video. If you are ready, let's get started. Number 10, Alaska. Known for its vast and remote landscape, the geological difficulties of the Gold Country, coupled with its outrageous atmospheric conditions, can significantly affect the psychological well-being of its inhabitants. The remoteness and unforgiving climate could lead to heightened feelings of anxiety, possibly encouraging behavior that could be linked to certain crimes. In addition, the region's boundlessness presents critical obstacles for the policing of social administrations, affecting wrongdoing elements because of difficulties in access and asset identification. Number 9, New Mexico. With significant poverty rates in various counties, New Mexico struggles with financial disparities that are often intertwined with higher crime rates. Its proximity to the Mexican border presents unmistakable difficulties, including the impact of drug trafficking exercises that fundamentally influence the state's wrongdoing insights. The border's status as a place of section would intensify carrying exercises, giving policing complications. Number 8, Tennessee. Major metropolitan centers like Nashville and Memphis experience moderately higher crime percentages, possibly due to metropolitan intricacies such as concentrated neediness, pervasive group-related exercises, and restricted access to quality instruction and productive business. These metropolitan areas, often struggling with social problems, manifest these difficulties unmistakably in the state's general misbehavior measures. Number 7, Arkansas. Persistently high levels of need in certain counties create a pattern of monetary difficulty and asset scarcity. These regions could observe expanded examples of wrongdoing regularly associated with financial aberrations. Crime, particularly prevalent in financially distressed areas, could significantly affect the state's overall crime rate. Number 6, Nevada. Despite the clamor of the travel industry and media, urban communities such as Las Vegas face notable difficulties due to high population mobility. Fluctuating population elements and transient networks could lead to increased opportunities for crime. In addition, the vibrant nightlife and entertainment scene could create conditions conducive to explicit crime. Number 5, Louisiana. Battling with significant destitution rates, especially in metropolitan habitats, Louisiana struggles with lower educational achievement levels. Significant urban areas like New Orleans experience difficulties established in financial aberrations, prompting higher crime percentages. Factors such as limited access to quality education and open financial doors contribute significantly to the state's elevated crime rates. Number 4, Missouri. Metropolitan focuses like St. Louis and Kansas City wrestle with elevated crime percentages, frequently credited to financial variations, predominant posse-related exercises, and the impact of medication dealing. Carrying out powerful misconduct control measures becomes testing because of the complex metropolitan issues at play. Number 3, Alabama. As in different states, certain pockets with high levels of need, combined with lower educational fulfillment, contribute to the elevation of crime percentages. Financial variables, imbued in the state's texture, employ a huge impact on wrongdoing elements statewide. Number 2, South Carolina. Struggling with elevated levels of destitution, particularly in metropolitan habitats, South Carolina's crime percentages intersect with drug trafficking difficulties. Significant urban communities confronting financial obstacles and horror rates act as impressions of broader cultural issues affecting the state's misbehavior insights. Number 1, Maryland. Metropolitan areas like Baltimore struggle with higher crime rates due to an intersection of elements, including financial fluctuations, predominant posse-related exercises, and the impact of the drug exchange. These metropolitan difficulties fundamentally influence the state's overall crime rates. And that's the end of our ranking. From the rugged terrain of Alaska to the bustling streets of Maryland, we explored why these states are making headlines for the wrong reasons. Behind these stats and numbers lie real challenges, socioeconomic disparities, urban complexities, and geographical nuances that shape these states' crime rates. See you in the next video.